What's up, everyone? How's it going? Good evening. Happy Saturday evening to everyone out there. All right. I'm going to attempt to do a video of me trying to chug a Coca-Cola without belching. Yes, you heard me right. A Coca-Cola without belching. Because I tried Sprite without belching in the past. So I'm going to do this one, the Coca-Cola one, without belching. Not sure how it's going to go. Not sure how I'm going to do. But before I do it, please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video. And I want to know, for everyone out there, after I do this one, I'd like to know if anyone out, tell me down in the comments on what sort of any pop flavor, any one that you can think of. Make sure you tell me in the comments below on which one you like for me to do next. All right, you can share if you like. Oh yeah, thank you everyone very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank everyone enough for 1.3 thousand subscribers. Thank you all. I appreciate you. I appreciate every likes, every views, and yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm so very much grateful for everything. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. I hope y'all like it. Hope you all enjoy it. You're wondering why I'm kind of dressed up. You say, Victor, why are you dressed up? Because last 2 Saturdays I went to church with my mom and my aunt. You know, the one that's close to my house. But yeah, it's brand new because I haven't really broken the seal. So yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know how I'm gonna do. But yeah, with further ado, I'm gonna do this. All right, I'm gonna try and see what I can do. Oh, yep. All right. All right. All right then. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna chug this and try to do it without belching, burping, whatever you want to call it. Whew, we're ready then. Let's get it. Kind of burns after a while. Get all the carbonation and suds, you know. What's up, guys? Sorry, I had a little technical difficulty, but yeah, there you go. Oh shit. Oh, oh, oh no! I'm sorry, guys. Oh, oh.